Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to add texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal shape. Fill color R190, G30, B45. Appearance panel. Shift F6. Add new effect and pixelate and measure tint. Type gradient dots. Repeat same effect again. Select Measure Tint and click on Duplicate selected item. Click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Cutout. Number of levels 6 and Edge Simplicity 3 and Edge Fidelity 2. Finally, your glitter pattern and texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create mermaid glitter background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.